So we managed to get a lot of pointing done. We've done a time lapse of that, so you'll be able to see that. The sand was slightly different colour to the rest, but never mind, that's still going to look good. I'm now today going to be doing this lintel, taking this lintel out. I've got my 2 acros here, and I've got to find a place to put in some strong boys, and that's the plan today. So I'm going to put you on time lapse again. You can stand back and watch. So yeah, today just get the acros in, get them ready, propping up what remains of the wall and what to stay, and then we're going to start taking down all the stones here, and I am pretty sure we're going to find some mice and maybe even some rats, but you know, fun. So there we have it. There is the stone wall back in place with a lovely oak lintel that's been oiled up. Looks rather nice, if I do say so myself. The reveals have been chipped off of the horrible render and repointed, and a seal that I put on, I found a York stone slab out in the garden, so I've cut that down and put that on as a windowsill, and I think it looks pretty nice. I think you'll agree. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video.